everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna open this Lego Disney Anna and Elsa storybook adventures. Now let's start opening this and build it. So now we open this and I used Kid Safe scissors so that I won't get hurt. So now we'll start building. So I have a blue piece, 2 purple pieces, and 3 bags and 2 sticker sheets. And we also get the instructions guide if you need help. So let's start building. And these are the pieces we have. So I have Kristoff's hair and his face. Elsa, I just have her. So I just attached Elsa's face and dress. For a second, I'm gonna add Anna's hair. Wow. And she even looks like Anna. But Anna has freckles. And I'll make Kristoff. So I made Kristoff's hair and face attached. Here is Kristoff's dress. Okay, so this is Kristoff's dress. And this is Anna's head and dress. So we finished 2 old characters. Now we'll get all stuff ready. And body attached. And we just have to add a carrot. Plucky. There. Now we just need Elsa's hair. And done. So now we're all done making these 4 characters. The characters are Elsa, Olaf, Anna, and Kristoff. So let's start building the book. So now to make the smooth edges around this blue piece, we're going to use 2 purple pieces and 2 white pieces for this smooth thing. I'll add this piece. Goes like this. And I'll add this sticker. And we'll write who this book belongs to at the back side. So now we're gonna do the lock. So what pieces we need? So we're going to do the lock now. So first, we have to put these pieces together and attach the lock to this gray piece. And we have to add a piece at the front so that we can put it on. We're gonna put this lock over here. And I'll show how it locks. So when you close the book, you can attach the lock and see we're now ready with the book. Now we're gonna make the book.
So now we're gonna do the entrance. So we're gonna add snap. So we'll add a snap here. And we have 2 magenta pieces. So we're gonna add the magenta pieces here. And to make the shape of the bridge, we're going to use 2 white pieces. This piece goes like this, and this piece goes like this. Add 2 purple pieces for smoothing. And attach the bridge. Add 2 gems. So add 1 gem here. Add 1 gem here, and these are blue color gems. So now, Elsa got accessory and I didn't realize. So I'll add this icy piece here so that she can make everything frozen. But instead I'm gonna add 2 pieces. Now she's making eyes everywhere. Push! Push!
So we're gonna do these pieces. So we're gonna add 2 gray pieces and 2 purple pieces on top of the brown base. We're gonna add this boutique piece and connect it to the grey piece and the purple piece. And a banner and a window, and inside we have a piano which was just finished. So now we're gonna do the castle entrance, which is in the middle of the storybook. So
First, I have a big round base, the different size, and then I need two of these type of pieces. And these two should be showing like this. And there are two yellow flowers. So we need two yellow flowers. One flower over here and one flower over there. And we'll add some windows. So we're gonna add one window here and one window here. And after adding these two, we need this kind of door piece. And we're gonna need two pieces like this.
now I added one shiny tile and I'm adding this other shiny tile. And then we're gonna have this piece. Shiny tiles on the inside, top, and the castle entrance, and outside are two flowers and two windows, two brick walls. And then at the top we have this unicorn horn piece, I think. Yeah, this unicorn horn piece. And now we're gonna attach this piece. And now we're almost done, so we're gonna make the bed. So now I'm gonna make a bed for the characters. And I need a bed sheet and a pillow. So we have the same purple and brown piece which we used for the piano area. And we need a brown brick piece which is over here. And we're gonna add the same blue windows we used. And then we're gonna do the same railings, the arms, like the arms we used for the piano. Now it's all done for the arms. And we're gonna need this white piece and two more white pieces which are just like this. And we're gonna add this piece over here. The inside has it like it. We need this hot pink piece and attach it to the white piece which is in the middle. And then we're gonna add a banner. We're gonna take out the sticker. This banner sticker. This is the right side one. This bedroom piece. And now we're gonna do sled. So first we have a black piece. So now I'm gonna do sled. So now we did a sled and Kristoff is sitting on it. And he's gonna go riding in the snow. Now, this is how my Lego storybook looks. Wait, I'm going down the sled. These little eyes, that's neither little eyes. And I could play the piano, but what will I do? Aha! I'll get this leaf out. Ugh. Got a leaf out. Now I'm in a leaf sled. Olaf, that's not a leaf sled. Sleds are different. Bye. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video.